It's time to fix a problem we're having pouring. Watch that air in the line, which is CO2, and then watch how this pours in the glass. Clean and then pure CO2. So, clean and then pure CO2. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this problem by putting on some new O-rings. Okay. So what we're going to do is shut off. I hope it ain't empty. No, there's some in there. But it's getting low. I'm going to shut off the CO2. I'm going to burp the CO2 out. And empty that out of there. We're going to take the beer line off. We're going to take the CO2 line off. Which was silly because all I got is one for that. But so what we're going to do here, let's see if I can get at it with this wrench. This wrench don't fit it. So I'm going to use a dresser wrench. So I'm going to move this keg out a little further so I can work on it easier. What we're going to do is take off the outlet to make sure that the pressure is still released here. Where's my keg lube? I'm going to need that. I'm going to pop. Oh, that O-ring is gone. Absolutely gone. I am cramping up here. Trying to do this without a cutaway. So we're going to take our O-ring off right from here, which is actually looks like it's destroyed. And we'll put a new one on right from this position. Come on, get off of there. Yeah, she's all chewed up. So I got some new O-rings here. If I don't spill them. And we're gonna sanitize my hands a little. Pull our tube back up a little bit, and I should be able to force that on there like this. Yeah, just like that. It didn't go. Boy, there's keg lube on there, and it's causing an issue. My fingers can't push it on there. Come on. Again. Wow. Get on there. It's on there. So, sanitize that again a little. Drop it back down in. This keg's probably out. And we're going to put a little keg lube on. That fitting. And I kind of figured that's what's giving the CO2 to come back into the line. so that O-ring was shot. Absolutely shot. I really don't like these fittings. They're a gimmick. And supposedly you put this back on, tighten it up. Make this one long video, huh? There, that's on. I was going to change these other fittings here. I bought the steel. I should do that for the beer line. I'll do that for the beer line. We'll change that over quick here. We'll leave the CO2 by itself. Close that off in there. We'll turn our CO2 back on, make sure we have no leaks. And we don't. And the beer line, we'll go ahead and change that out right now because we have it here. And it shouldn't be that hard. They give you the tools to do it with. Or I got the tools to do it with. How much is going to come out of there, I'm not sure. Let's have our proper one ready. Output, let's just make sure it all fits properly. Oh shit, oh shit. Now that was a mistake. Don't pressurize it and put the fitting on. Oy, oy, oy. Got that on camera. What a mess that is. Wonder if it got all over the camera. Oh boy. I hate being stupid. But I sure was stupid there. I should have did this when it was empty. Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. I think when this keg runs out, I'll change it. I'm not going to change it now. I already had one mistake. That's enough. One mistake is enough. Wow, I got a mess to clean up now. Alright. You know, got hops in here. I got all kinds of stuff in here. What a mess I made. Oy, oy, oy. So, don't do that at home, folks. I'm feeding this line with the white? No, the red. Now we're going to the white now. Doesn't matter. Come on, baby. Get on there. What are you doing? Okay. I'm going to turn on the white. And we're pressurized. Check for leaks again. I just blasted it all over the place. Woo! What a mess. Let's get that cleaned up. Get a wasted beer on the bottom. This is the chocolate stout, man. Or Screaming Monkey. Peanut butter stout. Well, let's see if those O-rings fix the problem in the super foam. There's a better pour without it spitting. I'd say that's a success. Now we got to drink 2 of these.